Guys, it's JQ Crafty. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to start out by apologizing right away for the lighting. My nice circle light went kaput on me just before the end of July. So I am currently, while I'm recording this, am waiting for a new light to arrive that hopefully will not try to melt on me. I just wanted to do my kit share though. And obviously if I need to, if this is poor enough quality, it shouldn't be too bad. I use this light for the first year and a half I did YouTube, or 2 years almost. So I was gonna do my kit share. So what I did this time is I grabbed some stuff that I had partially used from a few months back and some new stuff. So it's kind of a mix of new and old, and then a kit that I haven't really touched, basically. So this is what I brought in for a kit, and we'll see, because yeah. So I started with, I had done a random order, was it on Paper Issues? I believe so. Just some random goodies, whatever I could get my hand on some of the new collections that I wanted. And I realized, yeah, I have multiple of this. So first I started with, I've got 2 color study papers. I have the line drawing one, and then I have this spheres one, and I really was keen to like the blue and purple and the blue and purple together. And then I had also picked up, and I'm not sure, I might even use more of this because of the aqua-y, and then this side because of the black is what my thought was, because then I also picked up this Brave and Bold paper called Anemone, and this with the turquoise in here works really good together. The purple not so much, but then also the turquoise and blue, see how well all those go together? So I grabbed those, so I kind of put those together into a kit. And then I was like, there's pink in here now too, so I'm introducing, so I've got turquoise, black, I'm introducing this bright yellow and this pink and colors. So I had also grabbed these from Simple Vintage Cottage Feels by Simple Stories. So I thought, well, those would go well together. So this black, and I really actually like this pink side. So we've got this paper, which is the black and rose. I could put them all the right way. And then there's a little bit of pink in the color study too. So this black and rose. And then I really liked this butterfly one called Hello Happy. I liked it for this side, but I really love it for this side. This would be a really good background to start with. I thought about fussy cutting these out and then popping them back up on there. We'll see. Or fussy them, yeah. And then I liked this paper for the polka dot side. This side, I don't know if I would do it, but it's bringing on all the same colors, but I really liked it for the black and white polka dot side. I really like the pops of black with the turquoise and the pinks. I really like that. And then more yellows were brought in with the sticker sheet, because I had grabbed the sticker sheet. And I was like, all right, this is a good start to a kit, right? But then I thought I also grabbed some embellishments from Paper Issues. I grabbed the florally bits from the Simple Stories collection, so I have those. And I grabbed these Vitamin C Fancy Pants Designs tags from, I don't think I got these from Paper Issues. I think I got these from either scrapbook.com or something. It was like a freebie, or it was like super discounted. But I figured summer, there's a lot of like the yellow, pink, turquoise, brings in some pops of some other colors. Just for things to use. So I have those. And then I grabbed these from their Sunkissed collection, the foam stickers, and I thought these are all the colors I'm bringing in, plus the greens. And then it kind of introduces maybe a few other colors. So this is where my kit started. And I thought, okay, this is a decent kit. I was like, I want just a little more just in case I need something else. So I thought, what else do I have in my stash that would match? Well, I had this as part of one of my How to Kill Kits a couple months ago, and I have this whole 12 by 12 left of this You're a Gem by Colorplay from a few years ago. I was like, well, it's pink. It's not the same pink, but it's pink. And then this paper, I really can't use this side. I possibly can use some strips of this side. I'm not really sure why I hung on to this. We'll see. I'll use this. So some wood grain. There's some tan tones in there, but to bring in another color, I just brought some really bright yellow cardstock. I doubt I will use that, but just in case. And then a black piece, a white piece, just because they're sitting in my stash. And these are also from Eurogem, plus this little bit of embellishments I have. It was a kit from the scrap room, so there's not like a ton, but I figured they're pink, they're turquoise. It's not the same turquoise necessarily, but it's kind of like two sides of the kit. So I thought I'll bring it in, we'll see what I can do, right? And then just in case, so I'm probably never going to finish all this, I brought in my SCT sampler from April of 2020, I believe. Yes, I've only played with it a little bit, but what I like is that there's a lot of the same colors. The turquoise, the pinks, the yellows, the pops of red, more yellows and turquoise. So yeah, that is what I'm thinking. So I brought that in because then I have some embellishments and then pops of black, even though these are very birthday themed, but I could maybe do a birthday layout. This is watercolor thing, so I might play with that and some stamps. This way I have a little bit of something else to play with as well. So that is what I decided was going to be my August kit. So much more girly, but I think I can make it work for some family stuff. I have millions of pictures to scrapbook, so it really, I mean, it kind of doesn't matter, but yeah. So this is my How to Kill kit. So what I'm really hopeful about is that I can use up a lot of this with like matting and things, and I can finish using this Eurogem. I'm gonna trim this down right now. I'm not gonna use that much of it. There. Use up this Eurogem. I have an idea for it already anyway, and then really kind of start getting into the new stuff. So that's my kit, and I can't wait to create with it. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.